Hey guys, it's Thursday. Kaylee's down today, but she's gone with Mike right now to visit one of Mike's friends. We were baking cookies. I should have vlogged it, but you know what? It's been 2 weeks since Kaylee's been down, and I just wanted to spend time with her and be present with her, so I didn't record her. She might say something a little bit later. But we made chocolate chip cookies. I have the first batch in the oven now. The only chocolate chips I had on hand were mint chocolate chips, which, hey, Mike and I will eat them, no problem. I think they're dark mint chocolate chips. Kaylee tasted one, and she's like, I don't know if I like those. And I'm like, oh, well, it's okay. Like, they'll be eaten. We can give some to neighbors or whatever, because I think there's going to be about 3 dozen cookies. The first batch is in the oven now. They smell good so far. And, yeah, so I'll get her to say hi later. She'll probably want to say hi. She likes talking to you guys. Alexa, stop. I'm going to go check on that first batch now. Okay, it said 10 minutes for the cookies. I just took them out. They're still a little too spongy, so I'm just putting them back in for another 3 minutes, and then I'll check them. What's wrong, Odie? So, yeah. And I think later, when Kaylee's gone, I might do my dresses for you guys. If I don't get it in this vlog, it'll be in the next one. So, just stay tuned for that, because a lot of people said, yes, do the dresses. It looks like she cleaned up a lot of her mess, but Hurricane Kaylee strikes again. Hi, Odie. What's the matter, bud? What's the matter? And no sooner did I get out of my spot and pumpkins in it. What else is new? Story of my life. But I gotta love my pets, right? I hope you guys had a great week. And, yeah, I'll talk to you guys. I'll show you guys the cookies. I'll talk to you. I know, I look disheveled today. I'm sorry about that. I just threw my hair up so it wouldn't be in the way while I was baking. So I'll talk to you in a bit. There's the first batch out of the oven. Now I'm going to get the dough out of the fridge. As you can see, there's tons of dough. So I'm going to roll these out and put these in the oven. Well, they're not back yet. I got about 2 minutes before the second batch comes out. So you know what I'm going to do? Taste test. So here's what they look like. Nice and golden on the bottom. Nice. Oh, I can smell the mint. They look like Chips Ahoy. They look like that consistency. They're a little crunchy. But they're still chewy in the center, so perfect. I think Mike's going to like the consistency of these because he likes crunchy cookies. But, no, they're really good. Alright, I'm going to go take the other batch out and I'll talk to you in a few. I walk in the bedroom and he's staring at the wall. So Mike's like, I'll tell you what he's looking for.
I know what he's looking for. I can't do it now.
Come over here. Right here.
Yeah, here I can do it.
Mike's watch shines off the sun and it makes colors all over the wall. And that's what he's looking for, the light.
There you go. He's looking.
It's up there on the ceiling. But you got him dry. What my point is, you have him drove mad because but are you listening to me? You have him drove mad because he's in here with nobody in here looking for the light. He's easily amused. Hey guys, so Kaylee just went home, so I didn't put her on camera at all today. Me and Odie are out for a walk. I think it's only like 10 degrees Celsius. So we're just going for a little walk. And so he can do his business. It's like 7:30. The mess of the graveyard still. Come on, Odie. No. No. Come on. Trying to get to the garbage in the graveyard, he is. I don't know what's in half of it, so I don't want him. People are terrible littering in a graveyard. I got Mike's jacket on. I want to stay warm. Going on a puppy walk. He's leading the way. Alright, I'll talk to you in a bit. Okay guys, so as promised, I said I would show you guys my dresses, the rest of my summer clothes. So I'm just going to jump right in. So I have this plain black skirt. This is in a size medium, but it's really stretchy. Mike's daughter actually gave me. It's like maxi skirt. It's just plain. There's no slits in it or anything. It's good for like if you're going to a wake or a funeral or something. Okay, then I have, well, those are paper bag dress pants. That's not really summer. I have this. The last time I wore this was actually at my father's funeral, but I don't want to get rid of it because I like this. I wore it a few times before. It came from the Giant Tiger for like $22. It's a jumpsuit. See, it has like flared pants. It shrunk a little bit, so it's a little bit shorter on me. It's like a, what are they called? Like a flood or a capri, but it still works pretty good. Size extra large. Sometimes if you want to wear this in the winter, you could actually put like a thin shirt under it. So that's what that looks like. I'm not doing a try on. If you guys want to see anything the way it looks on me, let me know down below, and I'll try some things on. As you're going to see a theme here, most of my dresses came from the Giant Tiger. So I also have this one from the Giant Tiger, and I believe, yep, size extra large. Surprise, surprise. It's just this, my favorite color, blue. This is like a turquoisey blue with the buttons. I'm pretty sure my friend Jacqueline has this in green and pink. I don't know if she still has them or not, but we bought them around the same time, so. Okay, it looked like there was something on it there, but it was just a shadow, so that's good. I don't know prices of everything either, but as I said, if you guys want to see this stuff on me, just let me know down below, and I'll try some of it on. Or maybe I'll do outfit of the days during the summer. This one came from Old Navy. This is actually a dress. I don't know who got it first. If I got it first or if Jacqueline got it first. But Jacqueline had this dress as well. This was in a size, or this is in a size extra large from Old Navy. And it's just this gingham style. And it has like a little peekaboo hole right under here where it ties. So I got that one as well. This is like a thicker linen material. Yeah, so that one's from Old Navy. Then I think this is one of my, okay, no, not this one, the next one coming up after this. Giant Tiger again. If I had to guess, I would say an extra large again. Sometimes I can get away with a large in the Giant Tiger though. Oh, I can't find the tag on this one. No, I can't find it. But anyway, it looks like this. And then it's open in the back. See? You know where the tag might be on this one. Inside. Sorry guys, I have no clue what size this one is. It's either a large or an extra large. I think this one was only $15 too. Very cute. And of course, blue. As you'll notice, a theme with my dresses, a lot of them are blue. Because it's my favorite color. Any shade of blue, from turquoise to navy. Then this one is one of my favorites. I got this one last year. This was $14 at the Giant Tiger. It's a mint green with some flowers on it. There's a tag on this one. Extra large. And that's what this one looks like. Isn't that pretty? I think there's a bit of a high-low to this. Yeah, no, it goes down lower on the sides than in the front and the back. This is very lacy and feminine. I like this one a lot. Let's keep on moving along here. Hope you guys can hear me okay, because I'm quite a far ways away from the camera. Here's another Giant Tiger one. It's just an A-line dress. Crisscrosses in the front. This is more fall colors, but you can get away with it in the summer too. Extra large. And it just looks like this. Has a little ruffle down at the bottom. Okay. This is a Giant Tiger one from a few years ago. It's this shift dress, and it's yellow, which isn't typically my color, but I like it for something different. Oh, this one came from Blue Notes. This is an extra large from Blue Notes. This is just like a very fluffy, flowy summer dress. I had this, geez, I don't even remember how long ago it was that I got this. Did I get this when I was with my ex-husband? I might have got this when I was with my ex-husband. That's how long I had it. But maybe not. Maybe it was in the early stages of my relationship with Mike I got it. But it does have blue flowers on it, so I don't remember. I honestly don't remember when I got this dress. It's so soft. If you could feel the material, it's like butter. Okay. This next one is the dress that I wore to my wedding with Mike. This came from Old Navy. This is another one that Jacqueline and I had the same dress. Jacqueline and I, every time one of us seen something in a haul, the other one would go out and get it if we liked it. So this was my wedding dress. This is from Old Navy, and it's an extra large, and it's just this very long white flowy dress. It has, like, if you can notice the details in it, it has like a puff print to it, and then here's the puffy, like the sleeves are puffy and they can go off the shoulder or on, and then in the back it has this little tie detail with a little opening. I wore this to my wedding, but like I said, this is just a casual dress I could wear anytime in the summer, and it still fits me, so we're going to probably see if we can wear this a few other places. I like the fact that my wedding dress was a casual enough dress that I could, like, we got married on a boardwalk, so it was just, we eloped, it was a casual wedding, so I like the fact that my dress is something that I can wear again. This dress is another maxi dress. It's just simple dress. It just goes all the way down. There's no slit in it. I don't think there's a slit in this one. No, there's not. This one came from Temu, and it's like a satiny material. This one is actually a 2XL, but it's just, well, I got this because it was my color, right? Brings out my blue eyes. I find anything blue that I wear brings out my blue eyes. And these dresses, I'm not getting rid of any of them because I tried them all on and they all still fit me. So. And then last but not least is a brand new dress that I never wore yet. And if you watch my vlogs, you've probably seen it. And it also came from the Giant Tiger. And it still has the tag on it because I never wore it yet. It's Lily Morgan extra large. And it's this one, this maxi dress. Isn't this beautiful? I love this. It has 2 slits. I believe it has 2. No, it only has 1. Oh, yes, it does have 2, I think. Hold on. I gotta double check, guys. No, it just has the 1 slit on the one side, on the left side. And then it has, the bodice is like the stretchy, what's this called? Ruching? Stretchy ruching. And then in the back, it has like a corseted design. See? And look at the colors. Isn't this like perfect summer colors? I could see me wearing this with a denim jacket. It's lined, so it's not see-through. I could see me wearing it with a denim jacket, somewhere casual, or to like a summer wedding or a baby shower or something, dressed up a little bit. And that's my summer wardrobe. I'll be back to end this. Okay, guys, so that is everything. I showed you guys my regular summer wardrobe, and I showed you guys my dresses summer wardrobe. So I think I have enough to keep me going this summer. I don't think I'm really going to have to buy anything else. So we'll see. Plus I have a buttload of t-shirts, just like regular t-shirts like this, that I wear when I'm being more casual. So I got enough to keep me going for now. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you'd like to see any other parts of my wardrobe, let me know. Except for like my Christmas stuff that's put away. I'll probably do that during Vlogmas or something. But my Christmas stuff and like my fall stuff is all put away. But I think I have to go through my pajama drawer next to see if there's anything that I'm getting rid of. But I don't think so. But all my dresses I'm keeping, like I said, because they all still fit me. So I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other. And I will see you guys all on Monday. Bye, everyone.